Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope all of you must be fine. Today in this video we are going to briefly discuss paper pattern of O-Level Islamiyat 2058, and I am also going to share the syllabus for both the papers for paper 1 and then in upcoming videos for paper 2. So first of all, the syllabus for paper 1. So if you talk about the syllabus for paper 1, so some very important topics are part of the syllabus. First of all, we have 15 passages from Holy Quran. First 5 passages are about Allah Himself. Then second 5 passages are about Allah's relationship with created world. And then last 5 passages are about Allah Himself. Okay. And then we have second important chapter, that is about history and importance of Holy Quran, which includes most important topics like compilation of Holy Quran, and then sources of Islamic law, which includes Holy Quran, Sunnah, Ijma and Qiyas. Okay. Third important section of this paper 1, is life of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which includes Makki life of the Holy Prophet, then Madani life of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and then Holy Prophet's behavior towards others, and then in the end some outstanding qualities of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And the last section for this paper 1 is about the first Islamic community, which is very lengthy section, and it includes mothers of the faithful, 10 blessed companions, then scribes, then immigrants and helpers, and then imamat, and then in the end around 15 to 20 important personalities, the role of and the services of important personalities during the time of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this is all about syllabus for paper 1. And as far as paper pattern is concerned, so you must understand that both the papers, they carries equal 50 marks, and the time for both the papers are also 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, and you have to finish each paper within 90 minutes. Okay, so as far as paper 1 is concerned, so you will find 5 questions in this paper, and out of which question number 1 and 2 will be compulsory, and then from remaining 3 questions you will have to attempt any 2. So if you talk about question number 1, so question number 1 is set from passages of Holy Quran, from 15 passages of Holy Quran, and this is 8 marks question, compulsory 8 marks question, and you will be given 3 passages, and the Arabic and the translation both will be given to you, and you will be required to attempt any 2. Okay, the answer of each passage will carry 4 marks. So this is how by attempting 2 passages you will be able to secure 8 marks. Okay, and then question number 2 is generally set from history and importance of Holy Quran, and as I already discussed that generally the questions are set from this chapter are about compilation of Holy Quran or sources of Islamic law. Okay, and then we have question number 3, which may be taken from Makki life or Madani life of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And the same case is about question number 4. It can also be taken from either Makki life of the Holy Prophet or Madani life of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. However, it may also be said from Holy Prophet's behavior towards others or from some outstanding qualities of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now we have last question. So of course it is said from the first Islamic community most of the time, either maybe from mothers of the faithful or from 10 blessed companion, or you may be asked to write about any important personality, the role and services of any important personality during the lifetime of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Question number 1 carries 8 marks, and remaining 4 questions equally they carries 14 marks. Okay, so this is how when you attempt 4 questions, 14 marks questions and one 8 marks question. So this is how you can write the answers for 50 marks questions. Okay, so this is about all about paper pattern syllabus for paper 1, and in next video we are going to briefly discuss about paper 2. Thank you.